Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these SeQR QR privacy tags. So here we have the lost and found iron-on tags. Here we have the car contact tags, lost item labels, and doorbell contact tags. So all of these work basically the same. Now this is a free service to use, other than you do have to purchase the actual product. So when I purchase it, I get these. These are very specific with an ID. Now I have to set these up when I first get them. So these are really small labels. I can just put on something, but each one is specific. So I can do 6 different items. Now this one, the car contacts, this is a magnet. That's a magnet. And that's it looks like a window sticker. Oh, there's the reverse window sticker. So I put that on the inside of my car and it shines through. Or I have an outside window sticker. And then here's the lost and found iron-on. So these are kind of neat. It's got a little piece of paper you use to put on between this and the iron. And then you can iron these on your clothes. So if you lose a garment or something, people could scan that and get that garment back to you. Now let's show you how so whatever I stick this on. So let's say I got this tape measure here and it's really important to me. And if I lose this tape measure, I want somebody to get this back to me. Now, I've got to first scan it to tell, again, this is a free service to use. So I'm going to open up my camera app and I'm going to scan this. It's going to bring up a little yellow pop-up. Click on that. Now, when you first set this up, you do have to give it your email address. And I already have the app installed. You're going to install the app by clicking that little up arrow there. But since I already have it installed, it's got activate 6 codes. When you first get it, give it an email address. You'll go to your email, put the code in, and then you're ready to go. I haven't given it my name or anything yet. And again, this is free to use. So now let's customize the code. Scan the code to customize. All right. I had to hold it a little bit closer. There's the code. Now I want to customize it. Now this is the message somebody will see when they find your item. So please send me a message if you're scanning this. I can type in here what I want. This is just a preset message that I think works really well. So I like the message. Click save and continue. Now I can also label this. Say this is my tape measure. I can add a photo. I can say what it's on. There's lots of this is information for me if I have a bunch of these codes so that I know what is lost. And I hit done. Okay, now I don't, this is a free service to use. Now, say it's been 6 months later, somebody finds this and it says scan if found. So hopefully they're going to get their camera. So I'm going to get another phone. Hopefully they come up here and they're like, oh, I need to scan this to get this back to the person. This is somebody that doesn't have an account or anything. And it's going to open up a text messaging. And this applies for all of these tags. Now, see, I got a message. Oh, look, I got a message on my iPhone where I have it set up. And I even have see, it says the code was scanned by an incognito user. Okay. That's the person who scanned it. Now, this is the person that found the item. Message the owner anonymously. Yep. I found your tape measure. All right. And now I'm going to get see, I got something that said, yeah, I was under activity. I should have been under messaging. So there it is. It says, this is the person, the helpful hero, they call him. That's pretty cool. I found your tape measure. Okay, now, again, I haven't shared any information. They don't see my name. There's no information that they're going to see. They're just going to be able to contact me. And then if I don't want to contact them, I don't have to. Now I can say, okay, meet me downstairs. I send the message. That's a really nice app or messaging app that's inside the app. No thanks. So if I click send, they're going to get to meet me downstairs. Now, let's say it might be a couple days before you get back to the person that found it. They've got this red alert that says, hey, you can enter your email, and then when the person does contact you, the person that found it, they'll get an email. Again, there's really no information. This is a free service. This is a really well-designed app and service that they've got here that is actually free. Now, SeQR did send these items to me for free for reviewing, and I actually really do like them. I think these are just super nice. This is going to be very helpful for lots of different things. They also have luggage tags. They have these keychain tags. There's what the luggage tags look like also. So again, iron-on ones, each one of those can be on a different item. And again, it's a free service to use, and it looks like it's really well designed. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.